Alright, boys and girls, today being the weekend, change of plan of electrics. Got a bit of a jiggle around because I just invested, I bought myself a pot and float switch, so and an extra double socket. So yeah, the weekend, get that sorted out. I'll just flicker around and I'll show you what I've got. Cheers guys. Well, this came in the other day, so we'll see what this is like. You need a new blade. Right. Try the old skizzers. I think I'm making a hash of this. So it's definitely wrapped up okay. Just like it's inside the box. Yeah, it is. Didn't cut any cables, that's me buggered. Fun and games. Alright, there you go, so about chaps, got there in the end. Definitely wraps up okay. Oh, that's it. So, yeah, see what it's like. Most of you guys have probably got these anyway, but thought I'd invest in one, better be safe than sorry. So yeah guys, that's my job for the weekend. Let's get this rigged up. I shall get back to you after I've done it. I'll show you what we're going to do with the plug sockets first. Just bear with me. Alright, so that's the job for tomorrow, Sunday. Wiring up that. I mean, electrics. What could go wrong, eh? We shall find out tomorrow. Happy days. Fingers crossed. I can't do it because I've got carpal tunnel. It's getting worse. I'm going to get it sorted out one day. There you go, left hand. Fingers crossed. Hopefully I shouldn't blow anything up. I'll catch you guys later. Yes guys, right. That's my junction box with the power coming in. So I've got to rig up the float switch to that. There's a double garden right side plug socket which will connect up to that. So at the moment that's wired up but it's not live. So I'll get that float switch connect up to that. That then becomes live. I've got another one here which is permanently live. I'm going to rig that up so that's connected to that. So I have 4 plug sockets that will slowly work on the float switch. So pump 1, pump 2, UV, the spare one. I bought another one of these which will fit. Well, basically what I'm going to do is extend it or move it along a little bit. So I'm going to take that out, place it elsewhere. So I have 3 double sockets here, 6 sockets. The third one, what I want to do is I'll probably keep that live, yeah, mainly constantly live. The new one I got will be those 2 there. I will rig up the flow switch, so anything happens they will cut out. As I said, pump 1, pump 2, the UV, that's it. So I have a spare one. Permanent live will be for the air stone, so anything does go wrong, at least I know the air stone will keep running. So yeah guys, this is my job for the weekend. So it's Saturday now, so I've just done a quick flush on the K1 media water butt. Wait for the pump to fill up. I'll try and get this tied up in here. I'll probably make it start out tomorrow. Today's weather, it's nice and sunny, but it is a bit windy and the idea rain. I know tomorrow says to be a little bit windy, but no rain. So tomorrow being Sunday, I'll make a start on that. Right guys, I'll come back to you when it's all up and done, running. Cheers. Right, afternoon guys. There we go. One float switch connected up and running. I let it tinker around with electrics, as I said I would. So basically, that's my junction box. Float switch is connected to that, which then float switch or live cable has that double socket and that double socket. This double socket is permanently live. It's got the air stone running. Basically what I have on there is 2 pumps, UV, and I will eventually get a, what do I call it, like that, external skimmer which sits on top. I was going to put in internal one in that corner, but I didn't have enough room between the end of the wall and the fence, so I'm going to have to stick one of those external skimmers in the corner there. So I tried it all out, it's all working all okay. What I had trouble with the new switch, this wasn't showing coming on, even though I tapped into that one, looped it, that was coming on, okay, but that wasn't, and I realised the 2 switches were in the off position. I had that faceplate on, off, chucking all the wire in, and I forgot about the 2 switches, they were switched off. So, yep, what a dinosaur. So, yep, just done a clean, just topping up the pond there, everything's okay. Just like to say thanks to Dave on Borden-Koi. I did text him during the week. My fish was showing signs of flashing, but fingers crossed they've been okay since then. So I don't know, might have been due to the water change, I don't know, but they've been okay. As I said, Dave, Borden-Koi, much appreciated the feedback. As I said, I've got a 3-stage water filter. So yeah, quite pleased with that. So all I'll do now, probably next weekend, is my UV at the moment is stuck over there. It's going to stay over there. Unfortunately, I ain't got time now, but I need to get a bit of conduit. I've got a live cable feed coming from the filter box. As you can see, it's looped into the conservatory, so I'll do it next weekend. I'll get some more conduit from my Wix's, isolate that, and have that UV running on that double socket, which is connected to the float switch. So, yeah, another job for next weekend. So yeah guys, I thought I'd just give an update on the progress, slowly but surely, we're getting there. Alright guys, thanks a lot, catch you later.